have the yellow and red wire at the top, with the fans coming next, the fuel pump and the tachometer. And then on the opposite, new tools. Go ahead and put the power back on. Headlights are already on. Pop the headlights back on. Then we have bright, dim, bright, dim, bright. So here is underneath the finished product of the bus bar installed here. Everything is coming along really nicely. I'm spending a lot of time making this a lot nicer than it was. That is my goal, is to make it as nice as I can. So everything's looking better, but still. So that is all the time that I have available for. Make sure to like and subscribe to New Yankee Auto System, and also follow us on Facebook.